Hey, what's up YouTube? You know it's your boy Mr. Stocks on the go, and we are back with a brand new video, guys, a brand new portfolio update. Please go ahead, smash the like button. Let's get this video to 30 likes, guys. Also, please remember to smash the subscription button, tap on the notification bell, guys, just so you're notified each and every time that we drop a video. And I want to give a big shout out to all the new subscribers. And also, guys, if you would like to support the channel just a little titch more, you can go ahead, check out the links in the description, guys. I'll also be pinning a link in the comment section for Wealthsimple Trade, guys. Absolutely great platform, simplistic for all my new investors. Please remember to check it out, guys. You sign up today, deposit just $1, guys, and you will get a $25 cash coupon to help you out on your investment journey. You just can't beat that. All right, guys, I also will have a link for MooMoo Canada, another platform that I just absolutely love. Guys, I do not get paid from any of these platforms to promote it, but these are platforms that I use myself on a daily basis. I absolutely love MooMoo Canada. You can go ahead, check them out also. Whereas when you deposit $100 after opening a Tfsa or a RRSP account, guys, you will get a $50 cash coupon to help you out on your investment journey. As I said before, it also does help out the channel. So with that being said, guys, let's jump straight into today's video. So we're going to dig straight into the Tfsa today, guys, and let's check out the updates. Let's see what's going on in the portfolio. All right, guys. So as you can see right now, the portfolio is currently sitting at $8,338.40 Canadian. All right, guys. So we have been making some real good progress. Constantly dollar cost averaging, weekly dollar cost averaging into companies that I believe in. All right. So let's take a scroll down. Let's check out the 1 day, the 1 week, the 1 month, and let's see the progress. It has been a rough week. If you are in the market, you should know. Last week was just brutal, but it did give us opportunities to invest in some of our favorite companies. All right, guys. So this new update on Wealthsimple Trade with the new desktop version, I think it still has that glitch where it doesn't show the 1 day, the update for 1 day, the 1 week, the 1 month, and so forth. So I'm going to give you that update straight from the phone, all right, from the mobile app. So on the 1 day, guys, we are down, and that's based on Friday's performance. So on the 1 day, we are down 0.80%, which is roughly $67. On the 1 week, we are down 1.20%, which is roughly $101. And on the 1 month, we are down 1.09%, which is roughly $91.51. And on the 3 month, we are down 0.17, and that's roughly $14. On the 1 year, which this portfolio was started, I think, in January, so around January, around December, January. So it's giving you the update from there. So we're up 0.41%, and that also goes for the all-time. So that's basically what you're seeing right here on the screen, 0.14%. So that's roughly $34, guys. As I said, we did take a beating. I'm really not fazed by the overall. I'm really happy with overall performance and the stocks that we are given this opportunity to buy at low prices, guys. All right, so let's kick it off with Apple. As you can see, we still have the 2 shares, but we have bought some fractional shares in last week. So did pick up a few fractional shares, bringing our total to 2.5425 shares, and we are down all-time 5.57%, and on the day we were down 0.22%. All right, next off we'll go to Atlas Engineered Products. I know I did say I was going to purchase some more shares off Atlas, but I think that it well, I'm hoping that it does pull back to around 132, 133, around there, and then I could go ahead and pick up the other 50 shares, which I plan to do in the short term. So with Atlas Engineered Products, guys, this is a penny stock. Please do remember to do your own due diligence before investing in any company that you see in this portfolio. All right, guys. And we are currently all-time down 7.27%. And on the day, we are up 4.48%. Next off, we have ATD. And guys, go ahead and comment in the comment section. Let me know if you have shares of AEP. That's Atlas Engineered Products. I don't really see a lot of investors with this company, but great company. Still a penny stock, so I do not recommend anybody to just go ahead and pick up shares of this company. All right. Next off, it's ATD. That's Almination Couche-Tard. That is Circle K in Canada, Max. Yeah, they control all those stores. So I am invested in ATD. I do love the business. I do love how the stock performs. I think that this is another consolidation moment for ATD before it makes its way to the $90 range, which I think that we should see this year. I think we could even see $100 if we do get a really good bull run. All right, guys, let me know what's your thoughts on ATD. Do you think we might see $100, 95, 90? Let me know in the comment section. All right, guys, so we have 5 shares of ATD. Haven't picked up any more shares. I know I said I was, but I haven't as yet. Waiting for a bigger pullback on ATD. It rarely does pull back, but hopefully we do see that shortly. So we're up overall 8% roughly, and on the day we are up 1.44%. All right, next off we have Alibaba, and I have 5 shares of Alibaba. I know I said I want to get 10 shares in the short term. I'm still on that mission, guys. Everything does take time, and we are currently up in Alibaba 4.53%, and on the day we were up 0.03%. So the small gains, they do add up. I'll take them. All right. Let me know in the comment section also, guys. Do you own shares of Alibaba? What's your thoughts on Chinese companies? Are you just staying away from them on a whole, or do you own any Chinese companies, guys? Let me know in the comment section. All right. So next off, it's Constellation Software, another company that I absolutely love. Absolutely love a Constellation Software. I will be picking up some more shares in the near future. We currently have 0.1355 shares. It hasn't changed, and we are down all time 0.41%, and on the day we are just flat. All right. Next off, we have Google. I said I was going to get 5 shares. In the last video, I did show you guys that we did reach that goal of 5 shares for Google. And Google has seen a nice push up since I bought in the low 30s. So that's really good to see that Google's moving back up. It's currently sitting at $141 right now. So we are up 2.41%, and on the day it was down 1.34%. I still do think that Google is super undervalued even at 140, but my average cost is below that, so I won't be buying right now. I am pretty much content with the 5 shares that I have for now. All right, guys, if I do see a bigger pullback, I will be notifying you guys and let you guys know if I do decide to buy. All right, next off we have Hammond Manufacturing Corp Company Limited. I always say Corp. Hammond Manufacturing Company Limited, and I have 51 shares now. In the last video, guys, I think we had 35 shares. So I did buy some more shares. We're still down in this position, 13%. So since it's run up, it has taken a nice dip. and I'm not phased by it at all, guys. I think I'm just hoping that it does last long enough, probably for another week or so, so I could get to buy the amount of shares that I want. So I'll try to get to 100 shares in the short term. But if it does stay lower, I will be accumulating more than 100 shares. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Do you own shares of Hammond Manufacturing Corp? How many shares do you have? What's your average price? Let's chop it up about Hammond Manufacturing Corp. Very interesting company. And on the day, it is down 1.74%. All right. And it's currently sitting at $10.72 Canadian. I think I have an average cost of $12.30. I'm definitely trying to bring it down below $12. So anywhere in the $11 range, I'll be definitely trying to do that. Next off, we have Lumine Group, and we have 11 shares. Did pick up some fractional shares, so 11.6562. And Lumine did take a nice pullback to $33. It was up as high as $37. Guys, it did take a nice run. I just think this is a nice pullback before it continues to make its way up to the $40 and then the $50 range. On this pullback, I do hope to pick up some more shares, and I will definitely be picking up some more shares actually. So we are currently up 3.39% in Lumine, and on the day it was down 2.06%. So it did take a nice beating on Friday. Next off, we have Microsoft, guys, and we own 1.0915 shares. Haven't made any changes to Microsoft. Just haven't seen a big enough pullback for me to start buying some more shares. My average cost is below $400, so I'm trying to keep it there for now. Hopefully, Microsoft does pull back to the 390, 398 range, and I can pick up some more fractional shares. All right, so we're currently up 5.37% in Microsoft, and on the day we are down 2.07%. So as you can see, Microsoft also did take a nice beating. And next off, we go into our risky stocks, which is NEO. We have 32 shares, so I did pick up 2 more shares, as I promised you guys that I was going to start picking up more shares off NEO. So we did pick up 2 more shares, bringing down that average cost, trying to lower it to around five, anywhere in the $5 range in this portfolio. So that's definitely a mission, and that's definitely something I hope to achieve very soon. All right, so we are down in NEO 16.91%. Yeah, it's pretty large amount to be down. I'm not phased. I will continue to DCA and bring down that average cost. That's just the confidence that I have in this company and how convicted I am, because I've done extensive research, guys, and that's something that I think each investor should do, is know what you own and own what you know. All right, guys, so next off we go on to Sofi, and on the day NEO was flat. Sofi, I own 32 shares right now, and in the last video I think it was around 16 shares, so we did accumulate some more shares off Sofi, but it did continue to drop also. So yeah, I will continue to bring down that average cost. It's around $7.40. I will continue to bring it down, and overall, we are down 6.7% in Sofi, and on the day, we were down 0.28%. All right, next off, we go on to Topicus, guys, and we do intend to receive some a special dividend from Topicus this coming week. I will be showing you guys that once it is received. So they'll be paying it on in euros, but we will get it in Canadian dollars, but it will be converted before then. So, you know, we'll be collecting a little bit more in Canadian dollars than usual, or than you might expect. All right. So we have 3.5145 shares of Topicus. And as you can see, we have been accumulating some fractional shares on the side. I do intend to continue to invest into this company, guys. I think it might one day be in my top 3 holdings. I'm just giving it some time, but definitely I love the performance of Topicus and I love the company also. If you don't know, it is a spin-off of Constellation Software. So is Lumine Group. All right, and we are up 8.67% in this position overall, and on the day we were up 3.77%. This company just performs amazing. It did take a dip in the week, and it I've shortly recovered, guys. So I really like the way the stock is performing, and I look forward to it in the future. So definitely check out Topicus. All right, next off, we have the most controversial stock of this week, and it is Tesla. Guys, please go ahead, comment in the comment section if you own shares. Any of these companies that I mentioned already, guys, just so we can chop it up. If you have any questions, we can probably go over some of those questions. All right. So with Tesla, I own 2.6601 shares in this portfolio. And Tesla has been taking a beating, guys, but I am still convicted in this company. Every company that you do see in my portfolio, I've done extensive research on, so I do not mind the dips. I do not mind buying the dips also, which is something that I actually love doing. I see a lot of investors coming out, FUD in the market, guys. That's fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and a lot of people doing stuff that they wouldn't regularly do, and that's why it's always good to have a plan, guys. Always have a plan, and always know what you own and own what you know. All right. So next off, as I said, we have Tesla. 2.6601 shares. We are down overall 13.78% overall in this position. That's roughly $69 US. And we are up on the day 0.66%. My thoughts on Tesla, I think Tesla could possibly go to around 150, 155, around there, but I do think that there's a lot of buying pressure at 150, which would send the stock flying again. I really do believe that. I do believe if Tesla does touch 150, it will bounce and it will start making its way back up. That's just my beliefs. We'll see how that turns out. All right, guys. And for Tesla, I will continue to buy Tesla shares in this portfolio. I also buy Tesla shares in my Questrade portfolio, and also I will start buying in my MooMoo account. So it's a great thing when you believe in a company, guys, and you get it at a discounted price. Go ahead, let me know in the comment section. Do you own shares of Tesla? All right, next off, we have TSM, and I think this is my best performing stock right now. I picked up 3 shares at around $116, $18, and it just ran right up since then. So right now we have 3.0076 shares, and it's currently up overall 14.63%. On the day we are down 1.89%. And if TSM does pull back to the $119 range, which I'm not sure if it will, I will be picking up more shares of TSM. Absolutely love this company, and I think that when it comes down to the semiconductor plays, this is one of the safest roads you could take. All right. Next off, we have Visa, guys, and we have 2 shares of Visa, 2.0003 shares, and we're currently up 3.3% in Visa, and on the day we are down 1.18%. And my thoughts on Visa, guys, absolutely love this company. I think that Visa will continue to dominate. Majority of the cards I have in my wallet are Visa, so probably ask yourself, like, what cards do you have mainly in your wallet? What cards do you use mainly. Is it MasterCard? Is it Visa? Is it Amex? And probably decide from there. Decide if you should invest in one of these companies. All right, guys, I'm by no means your financial advisor. So before you invest in any company, guys, please do your own research. And last but not least on the list, we have ZSP, and we have 11 shares, 11.3084 shares. I did pick up some fractional shares this week, and ZSP has just been performing very good, guys. I have no complaints. We are up 8.2%, and on the day we are down 0.6%. So I have no complaints. It has been performing very nicely. There is one other stock that I am thinking of adding. Well, two other stocks that I'm thinking of adding, guys, to the portfolio. And yeah, I think that should complete it. And those two stocks are Costco and Palantir. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what's your thoughts on Costco? What's your thoughts on Palantir? I was speaking to another Blossom member today, and he said he bought Costco at $500, and even right now he was thinking $500 back then was a lot, and Costco now is sitting at $700. So it does go to show you guys, sometimes we think that a company is overvalued, and we really can't tell as retail investors. We just have to go off our guts, right? And there he did take that chance, and it played out really well for him. So congrats to you, Phil. And that's about it for the update, guys. Please remember to check out the other videos, guys. There are a lot of informational videos on this channel, guys. I see new Blossom members asking every day for different stuff: how to transfer accounts, how to set up a stop limit sell, how to set up a buy limit sell. Guys, the information that you're looking for, it's all here on this channel. And if you just take a scroll through, you'll see that there's a lot for you to gain from this channel. All right, you know, it's your boy, Mr. Stocks on the Go. Stay invested, stay building out that generational wealth. And I am out.